Okay, we're going to take a look at some common problems that can happen when importing an XML file that has DC or DS instructions. Oftentimes, these have trouble connecting in with MuseScore for various reasons. So in this example, we have a DCL coda, and we can see that there's a two coda with kind of a strange symbol, and then probably where your coda would be with also a strange symbol. If we investigate in here, we can see this is staff text, which really is just plain text. It doesn't actually indicate the software to do anything. So we need to replace that. Here, this is actually set up correctly. This appears to come in as a DCL coda correctly, and it's going to jump to the start and then look for a two coda and then go there. If you're not sure what all this means here, it's not a bad idea to just delete off this and come back in and say, okay, I'm going to re-add this. And you can find this by going over to the repeats and jumps section palette within MuseScore 3, and then just dragging it onto the measure that you want it to be applied. So we're going to do the same thing here for this two coda. We're just going to delete it. It wasn't even in the right place. Potentially, we would want to check what measure that happened. Even the measure that it's attached to could be wrong. But let's assume it was supposed to be here. We'll add our two coda onto this measure. And we'll delete this symbol off and add the coda symbol right on here. And now if we play it back, we should see that it repeats to the beginning. And then jumps to the coda. So that's a quick tutorial on using DC and DS features after importing MusicXML. This will give you best results in AutoGrade, though one thing to note about AutoGrade assignments with DC and DS instructions is that it typically works if you do the entire file, but we have an update coming soon that will allow better measure number definitions in your start and end locations when there are DC and DS instructions. Currently, there are some issues with the measure numbers not coming through correctly. Okay, thank you.